Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited about this video. Before start this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button for the latest video in future. Today I'm going to tell you about the basic material which I use for the sketching. A lot of people text me on Instagram, they ask me that what material do you use for the sketching. So I decide to make a video for them. Hope this video will help them. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with this is the electric razor. This is amazing, and I bought this from Amazon, and it's work with the battery, and it's come with the white razor heads. This is the one. Okay, so these are the white razor heads that we can replace later on. And these are the charcoal pencils. This is the soft charcoal pencil, and this we use for the shades, and it's best for the hairs. And this one's the general charcoal pencils. These come with the different shades, and this one is woodless charcoal pencil, and this one we use for the dark shade, and this is the normal charcoal pencil, obviously for the dark shade. This is the charcoal stick for that we use for the shades, or even these are the wine stick that, and you know that. And this is the kneaded razor, and as all you know guys, this is a normal razor. So this is the piece of leather, and we call it chamois, this one, that this is we use for the shades, like this. We can use these for the shades. This come with the, I found it on Amazon, and these are the blenders that we use for the blending, and this is a knife. If you want to make the sharp the pencils, so you can sharp the pencils with this. So this is, and now we have the paper. The paper, up to you. It's depend on the artist that what you are going to make the sketch. What I'm using this, I bought this from Amazon too. This is a normal paper. It's A3 size. This one. So hope this video will help you. You can see that I can use a blender like this. So if you don't have this leather of piece of leather, so you can use the tissue, the normal tissue, and if you don't have this blender, so you can use these, as we can find that very easily. So you can use this. So hope this video will help you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel